Choosing the right electric jigsaw can be tricky. Low cutting power, weak motors, vibration issues, and poor battery compatibility often lead to disappointing results. That's why brushless cordless electric jigsaws are becoming the top choice for both DIY users and professionals. They offer smoother cuts, higher efficiency, adjustable speeds, and better control for wood, metal, and pipe cutting. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric jigsaws, powerful, reliable, and compatible with Makita 18V batteries. We analyzed features, performance, and real user feedback to build this list. Product links are in the description for latest prices. Number 5. EG 3500 RPM Cordless Electric Jigsaw. The EG 3500 RPM Cordless Electric Jigsaw delivers solid performance with its powerful 750-watt motor and smooth curved cutting ability. Designed for woodworking tasks, it supports Makita 18-volt batteries, making it a convenient choice for users already in that ecosystem. The high-speed operation ensures clean cuts on wood and light materials, while its ergonomic grip improves handling during longer jobs. With cordless freedom and rechargeable battery support, this jigsaw is well suited for home projects, furniture work, and on-site cutting where portability matters most. Number 4. Patuopro 21V Brushless Cordless Jigsaw. The Patuopro 21V Jigsaw features a brushless motor with up to 3,000 RPM and a 4-speed adjustable system for precise control. It offers a 65mm cutting capacity, making it ideal for detailed woodworking and multi-material tasks. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this jigsaw delivers efficient power usage, reduced vibration, and longer motor life. Its versatile design allows smooth, straight, and curved cuts, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need flexibility, durability, and reliable cutting performance. Number 3. The ONEVAN 1000-watt Brushless Electric Curve Saw. The ONEVAN 1000-watt Cordless Electric Jigsaw is built for demanding cutting tasks with strong brushless performance and multifunction capability. It supports angled cutting up to 45 degrees, making it perfect for pipes, wood panels, and custom shapes. Designed for Makita battery pins, it offers cordless convenience with stable power output. The smooth cutting action, solid build quality, and high-efficiency motor make it an excellent option for workshop users who need precision, power, and flexibility in one compact tool. Number 2. YOFIDRA Brushless Electric Jig Saw with Laser Guide. The YOFIDRA Brushless Electric Jig Saw stands out with its laser-assisted cutting system, helping users achieve more accurate and straight cuts. Designed for multifunction use, it easily handles wood, pipes, and other materials. The brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery, less heat, and longer service life. Compatible with Makita battery pins, this jigsaw offers cordless mobility and consistent performance. It's a strong choice for users who prioritize cutting accuracy, modern features, and smooth operation in both DIY and professional projects. Number 1. Hormy 18V Brushless Electric Jigsaw. The Hormy 18V Brushless Electric Jigsaw is the most balanced and powerful option on this list. It features adjustable blade control and supports multi-angle cutting for complex woodworking tasks. Designed for Makita 18V batteries, it delivers strong, stable performance with reduced vibration and excellent cutting precision. The brushless motor ensures durability and efficient energy use, while the ergonomic design enhances comfort during long jobs. Ideal for furniture making, renovations, and professional workshops, this jigsaw offers premium performance and versatility. A quality electric jigsaw makes cutting faster, cleaner, and more accurate. These 5 cordless brushless models offer strong power, Makita battery compatibility, and versatile cutting features. Whether you're a DIY user or a professional, there's a perfect option here. Which one fits your needs? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.